It's been 7 years na kinilala ko kung sino si Elizabeth. Nakilala kita as a singer. From there, idol turns to crush, turns into something.
Hindi man natin masasabi mga ups and downs sa pagsasama natin. But we know we were here because for our promises. That I couldn't even spell on the table. Think I left it on the table. I found the last page in the sky, cold and sweet like an apple. I found you and now the story has its purpose. I promise you na mas papangalagaan kita at pagsisilbihan kita panghabang buhay. I love you. Be mine. I haven't felt this alive in a long time. All the streets are warm today. Hey, read the signs. I haven't been this alive in a long time. The sun is up, the sun will stay on for the new day. The very last breath of the hero of our tale would leave you only to guess. Did it truly prevail in the sequel?
You're now entering a new chapter in life. With Elizabeth. Hopefully, patuloy ang mga blessings na dumadating sa
It's tragic, but now the story has its proper end.
Hindi, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo, anak. Alam ko naman ka papabayaan ni Alvin.
I don't promise to be perfect. I can promise everything you want me to. But I promise to give my best, my everything. And of course, to be